Hello, beloved. This is Lainey Love Dalby, the creatrix of the Sacred Revolution Oracle deck, and I want to beam in today to share with you our awesome perks for our crowdfunding campaign. And we're not just raising funds to produce an oracle deck. This is really supporting my life's work and the last decade of the behind-the-scenes creation of the sacred art of sparkling shamelessly, which is really a 13-pillar map to help us live into our revolutionary potential and deepen into our inner truth and our power and sovereignty, so we can really be in our fullest expression and soul essence in the world. And really for an act of thriving for all. And so I wanted to come in today and share about the perks and all the bonuses that you're gonna get too, because just in a few days, we are already at 62% of our first goal. We do have 6 goals, but the first goal, we're at 62%, which is so awesome, and I'm just so grateful about it. And we've added on a bunch of extra bonuses because of this early blossoming of our goal. And so the first perk is the Healing Art digital wallpaper, and that is a digital wallpaper selection both for your iPhone or a smartphone or your desktop computer. And that doesn't include the deck. That's the only perk that doesn't include the Oracle deck, just so you know, but it's at a lower price point of $22 to really be able to support anybody who wants to contribute in this way. So that's the first perk. And everyone is going to receive the bonus of the Soul Sparkle, the Sparkle Shamelessly 101 course, which is a 3-module course with downloads that's really all about the sacred art of sparkling shamelessly and goes deeper into that and how you can really bring that into your life to help superpower you into your full essence. That's the first bonus. The second bonus is that you're going to receive lifetime access to the Art of Divination Celebration and Global Summit, which actually is beginning on Monday, November 30th, and going through December 2nd. And it's a series of intimate conversations with beloved soul sisters around oracular and divinatory guidance to help superpower your 2021. And in each of them, we do mini readings at the end to really help bring in archetypal wisdom and energy for 2021 and what we most need to know to move forward. And so that's another bonus. You're also going to receive a blessed crystal medicine pouch, which I love sending snail mail and bundling up these little bundles of joy and love. So there's going to be lots of other goodies too, and a Sacred Revolutionary sticker and some other juicy things that are going to be coming. And if you donate by the end of the week, you will also receive a digital coloring book, PDF, a Sacred Revolutionary coloring book too. So those are some of the bonuses that you're going to get thus far. And the second perk that we have is the Sacred Revolutionary deck, and that's really one oracle deck and a guidebook, and then you also have access to the interactive portal, since this is a multimedia deck. And that interactive portal, each of the 44 cards has a guided sacred practice, shamanic journey, embodiment practice to really help you ground in and anchor the energies and the wisdom contained within the archetypal cosmic imagery and also the channeled messages from the art. And then the third perk is the Oracle Lover, and that is with 2 oracle decks and then all of the other things that I've mentioned already. And then the next level is the Oracle Gift Giver, and that's if you really love sharing the art of Oracle and Oracle decks. And so you receive 3 decks with that, and it's also at a deeply discounted rate because you're purchasing in bulk in a sense. And so that perk comes with everything included above as well. And of course, you're gonna get lots of updates and love and transmissions of the art as it's being created as well. The next is the Interactive Oracle Lover. So that is everything included above with 1 oracle deck, and you also receive a one-on-one session with me. And that one-on-one session is basically an ecstatic embodied leadership mentoring session to really help you superpower and take your medicine out into the world and your unique soul sparkle as we move into 2021. And the next is the community co-creator. And I'm so excited about this one because this is the opportunity. You receive a deck and you also receive membership for the year in our Soul Sparkle Sanctuary Inner Circle. And this inner circle is really where we gather every month in Sacred Circle, because one of the core pillars of the sacred art of sparkling shamelessly is to gather in Sacred Circle and beloved community. And so we get together and we do ritual, we do ceremony, we do sacred play together, we create together, we do sharing and prayer circles together. We really deepen in community, in beloved community, and really to help us sustain and maintain that shameless sparkle, that sustainable burn for the journey, so we can really show up as all that we are. It's really a learning and practice community where we come together and do the deeper work. And of course, we work with Oracle and we do ecstatic embodied movement, we do Koya. There's a lot of juicy stuff, and it's a really beautiful, heartfelt community. And we've been really journeying together for quite a long time, some of us. And so we're really waiting to welcome you in with open arms. And again, that would be membership to the inner circle for the entire year. And the next one is the Back to the Roots Live Retreat. And this is, of course, COVID pending, that we will be gathering in person again, which has been quite some time since we've been able to do that. And that offering is really an in-depth dive to the essence of what this Sacred Revolution Oracle deck is all about, which is really igniting that revolution of love and sacred reconnection to the body and to the earth and to each other and the web of all life. And so this retreat is really going to go deep into that, especially reconnection with the body and reconnection to our roots. So that's going to be a really juicy opportunity to come together. And of course, you also get a deck and all the other bonuses with that. And then we have the Deep Heart Supporter. And with that one, you actually get several art prints. You get several signed metallic art prints that are, really a potent way to enter into this. You can hang it in your home, you can have it really to support you. And so with the Deep Heart Supporter, you receive 1 print, and with the Shamanic Healing Art Lover, you receive 4 prints. So that's the difference between those two. And then for the very adventurous and the true revolutionary spirit that wants to transform in every level and cell of their being and wants to go full in with a shamanic healing art immersion, we have the actual experience to receive a one-on-one session with me and then have a channeled 6-foot shamanic healing art piece that is delivered to your home. So it's really bringing this shamanic healing art process that I use, which is layered with prayers and intentions and deep healing and crystal medicine and animal medicine, like the piece behind me. And it really is in deep support to your alchemical transformation. It is a container of transformation in itself that you can have in your home. And so that is the final one. There's only 3 of those available, since that's definitely a much more in-depth dive, but it is the way to go all in if you feel called by this modality, by this art, by these cosmic shamanic transmissions, and want to really experience the depth and power of what is available through this deep healing and transformational process. So that is what I have to share with you for now with our perks, and I know that we're going to be adding on more later on as we meet our other goals and keep climbing and soaring and igniting this sacred revolution. So we are so deeply grateful for your contribution at any level. You can also contribute $1 or $2, and that is we are deeply grateful for that as well. Anything that you're able to, if you feel called to support and lit up by this mission of really helping others to sparkle shamelessly and step into their authentic power and sovereignty, and to return to their truth, to return home to the body and the earth and each other and this web of all life. So if that lights you up, we invite you to join us as a Sacred Revolutionary, beloved, and we hope to see you soon in our Soul Sparkle Sanctuary and in community, or in the Art of Divination Summit. That's a free event, so you can come on in and join us for that. The link is also on the contribution page. So we hope to see you soon, beloved, and so much love for your support and deep, deep gratitude. Bye for now.